Starting oyster mushroom cultivation at home or on a small scale. Basic steps. Selecting logs. Choose healthy, living trees and cut them into logs of 4 to 6 inches in diameter and 3 to 4 feet long. Avoid cutting during spring between bud swell and full leaf out. Inoculation. Inoculate logs with mushroom spawn, plug spawn or sawdust spawn within a week or two of cutting. This allows the cells in the tree to die, but not long enough for the log to dry out or other competitor fungi to become established. Incubation. Incubate logs in a shady place close to the forest floor but not in contact with soil or leaf litter. Keep them moist, but not waterlogged. Fruiting. Fruiting naturally occurs after rains and occurs in cycles. After the log has fruited once on its own, it can be stimulated to fruit by watering or soaking it in cold water for no more than 24 hours. Materials needed. Logs, hardwoods like oak, maple, or beech. Mushroom spawn, plug spawn or sawdust spawn. Wax for plug spawn. Drill bit for plug spawn. Inoculation tool for sawdust spawn. Shady incubation area. Water. Conditions. Shady, moist environment. Temperature range, 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 degrees Celsius to 13 degrees Celsius. Humidity, 70% to 90%. Protection from direct sunlight, wind, and extreme temperatures. Tips. Use sustainable forestry practices when sourcing logs. Choose the right mushroom species for your climate and available tree species. Keep logs moist, but not waterlogged, to prevent contamination and promote healthy growth.